If you're tired of either cooking too much rice or ending up with undercooked, sticky messes, and your kitchen doesn't have space for bulky appliances, this is exactly the kind of problem that needs a smarter fix. Today we're looking at the Sanptent Portable Digital Rice Cooker 2-liter, a compact rice maker built for students, small households, and anyone who wants reliable, no-fuss meals without taking over their kitchen. It's designed to handle more than just rice, while still keeping things simple and space-efficient. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the size stands out in a good way. It's small enough to fit easily on a crowded countertop or even be stored away when not in use, which makes it ideal for dorm rooms or apartments. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that doesn't feel cheap or overly plastic. The inner pot has a smooth non-stick coating, and in everyday terms, that means your rice won't cling stubbornly to the bottom. It feels lightweight, but not fragile, and the lid seals well enough to keep cooking consistent without making you worry about spills or uneven results. The touchscreen interface is simple, and that's one of its biggest strengths. Instead of guessing timings or adjusting settings constantly, you get clearly labeled presets for things like white rice, brown rice, oats, and quinoa. It's designed so that even if you've never used a rice cooker before, you can get started without overthinking it. The display is responsive and easy to read, which helps keep the whole experience straightforward. When it comes to performance, consistency is really what matters, and this cooker does a solid job. Rice comes out fluffy and evenly cooked without constant checking or stirring. It's not trying to be the fastest appliance out there, but it's efficient enough that you can set it and move on with your day. The keep warm function works well, holding the rice at a good temperature without drying it out, which is especially useful if your timing isn't perfect. What makes it more practical is how it fits into real life. You can use the delay timer to have rice ready when you wake up or come home from work, which removes one more thing from your to-do list. The included steaming basket also adds flexibility. You can cook rice below while steaming vegetables or simple sides at the same time, which makes it feel more like a complete cooking solution rather than just a single-purpose appliance. Cleaning is where this cooker really makes daily use easier. The nonstick pot means you're not scraping off stuck rice after every meal, and most of the time, a quick rinse is enough. The fact that the accessories are dishwasher safe adds convenience, especially if you're using them regularly. It's the kind of low-maintenance design that encourages you to actually keep using it. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The compact size that makes it so convenient also limits how much you can cook at once. It's perfect for 1 to 3 people, but if you're cooking for a larger group, you'll need something bigger. It also focuses on simplicity, which means you don't get advanced customization options. And while it handles rice and basic meals well, it's not designed to replace more powerful multi-cookers for complex recipes. Compared to other small rice cookers in this price range, the Sanptent Portable Digital Rice Cooker 2-liter holds up well by balancing simplicity and versatility. Some cheaper models may offer similar capacity, but they often lack the touchscreen controls or the range of presets. On the other hand, higher-end brands like Zojirushi offer more advanced cooking precision, but at a significantly higher cost. This one sits comfortably in the middle, offering practical features without overcomplicating things. So who is this actually for? If you're living alone, cooking for a couple, or just want a reliable way to make rice and simple meals without stress, this is a strong option. It's especially useful if you're short on space or don't want to deal with complicated appliances. But if you need to cook large portions regularly or want more advanced cooking control, you might want to look at a bigger or more specialized model. At the end of the day, the Sanptent Portable Digital Rice Cooker 2-liter does exactly what it's supposed to do. It makes everyday cooking easier, more consistent, and less time-consuming without adding complexity. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.